Hello, Case here in my new workshop, or well, workshop to be. Well, right now there isn't really much to see here because it's all empty and white wallpaper. This wall behind me will eventually be, well, I think dark grey, and I will be using it for murals. On the other side, over there, I will have a desk, and the rest of the room will be for, you know, the different tools. And well, I don't really know what, so we'll see. But right now, my life is just all about wallpaper and, well, as you can see, paint. So that's the snippet for this week. It's a short one because I'm really busy, but hey, see you next week. Cheers!